crafty friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I am coming to you today with a kind of an impromptu, not too shabby day today. It is Sunday evening. I'm filming this video. I've had a lazy day. Well, not really lazy. I was working all day on some computer things that I wanted to do for my planner. So, I needed and wanted to get this video up. So I just want to show you what I'm going to use, and let's get into it. First of all, I am using January 2020 sheet load of cards from Call Me Crafty Owl. I will link her channel down below. If you are not familiar with her, you know that I'm on her collaborative team. And besides being on her collaborative team, I absolutely love sheet load of cards. I made 5 cards with this sketch, and I'll show you what I used in just a second. And I used this scallop punch. It is by, I have no clue. Stampin' Up. It's a Stampin' Up punch. So I don't have too many punches left in my stash, but that's one of my favorite ones. Okay, so Sweet Valentine Wishes just came out yesterday. I will have the I Want It All bundle link down below. I will have the individual items linked down below. They are affiliate links, but if you like this and you need to make some Valentine cards, you don't want to wait, because this will sell out fast. It has sold over 50% of what Jamie had in stock already, and it just released yesterday morning at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time, 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is my time. So this is a different paper pad than typically what you get in the box. It has 48 designs because there's 24 double-sided sheets. You get 2 of each design. So you get some more patterns and lovely plaids and some different patterns, and oh, it's just gorgeous. And then there's some ephemera. I will also link Jamie's video from yesterday down below, because she did a great job of showing ephemera and showing all the papers. Then there is a stamp set. How cute is this? It has a cute little cupcake, a little dish of ice cream, or it could be a coffee with a whole bunch of whipped cream on top, some hearts. Be Mine, Smile are the 2 sentiments I used, and then some hearts, a spoon, a little banner, and then it says, "Hello, sweet cakes," and "Yum." So those are the sentiments. And then I have prepped my cards, mainly because the last time I, in my Christmas Around the World video, I don't know why I keep saying Christmas Around the World. In my Christmas All Year Long video, I felt like it was a hot mess. So I went ahead and prepped my cards. So all I have to do is put my ephemera on there. So let's do that one at a time. And I'm going to use some liquid glue so I don't use my ATG gun kind of squeaks. Now this one, 2 of them I decided not to have an image. I decided to just put a piece of ephemera over there. Okay. So how quick and easy is that? And then we'll come back and I'll pull out some kinds of embellishments to go put on them. Probably some enamel dots that I've got sitting right over here. I think I've got some purple ones up. Purple ones I need to use up. Well, actually, I've got a whole bunch I need to use up. I've got this coffee cup full of them, and my plan is to use those before I pull any more out. Okay, so this little envelope kind of takes up the whole space, and then I was going to pop that little love up right there. But I'll need to get some pop dots out. And I typically don't use them as pop dots. I just cut the whole piece apart and peel the back off. And then I plop it down, peel the front off, and then peel the little dots off. That way you kind of have a solid piece. And you're using all of your foam. Okay. All right. So the next two, the last two, have I have two gnomes to go on them, because how cute are these gnomes? Couldn't make any ephemera cards without some gnomes, because these are adorable. Okay, so I have this one, and I chose this one because he has those roses behind his back. And I chose that one to go with that paper pad, or piece of pattern paper, because that's the one that has the roses on it. Okay, and I'm going to put that right down there over his foot. Okay. How cute are these? Super quick. I came in here and it probably took me maybe an hour to put these 5 cards together. Of course, I don't know. I didn't time myself. Maybe an hour. And I'm kind of slow anyhow. Okay. And then we'll put Be Mine right there by his foot. And then we will find some enamel dots to go with our little critters and the rest of our cards. On this card, we probably need some pink ones. No pink there. I've got some purple glitter ones. I think they would go pretty on that other one. Yeah. And then on this one, we are going to do some pink hearts instead of just enamel dots. There we go. And to me, just adding those few little enamel dots just makes the card. And then I finished all the insides with a white panel and then a strip of paper. All right, so let's put some enamel dots on this one. We have these purple glitter ones. So we shall go here and here. And here. Okay. And then same. All right, this one, let's see. I'm going to use these red hearts. They're going to just kind of sprinkle down the side in all different directions. Okay. And then Let's do some white hearts, and I'm gonna just put 3 white hearts up here. And they're kind of hard to see, but the recipient will be able to see them. And again, the same on the inside of all the cards. Okay, and this one I'm going to pull out this color hearts to accent that teal turquoise color that's in the pattern paper. Okay, so we have let me get this stuff out of the way so we can showcase the cards better. So we have these 2 and that one and that one and then that one. So make sure that if this is a collection you want, make sure you don't hesitate and you head on over to the Not Too Shabby shop and grab your mini release. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.